Hello and welcome to Brilliant POV. The Russian military's brazen offensive on Ukraine was marked by critical errors that ultimately resulted in Ukraine's resilience and triumph. Despite the Kremlin's high expectations, it became clear, on the one-year anniversary of the war, that Ukraine not only withstood the brutal assault but also successfully regained control of crucial territories. One of the biggest blunders of the Russian army was the lack of long-term logistical planning. The Kremlin believed the operation would be short-lived and thus failed to prepare for an extended offensive. This lack of planning left the troops without essential supplies and a proper chain of command, leading to strategic failures across the board. The troops were reduced to competing for resources, a chaotic situation that worsened the already dire state of affairs. Russia's military also grossly underestimated the strength of the Ukrainian resistance. Ukraine's government was viewed as corrupt and inefficient, and President Zelensky's approval rating was at an all-time low. However, Zelensky's decision to remain in Ukraine, and his inspiring speeches over social media, galvanized the Ukrainian people to stand up against the Russian invasion. The Ukrainian army proved to be far more adaptable than Russia had anticipated, enabling them to shepherd their limited forces to where they were most needed. Russia's flawed military strategy also led to a critical catch-22 situation. The concentration of munitions and supplies close to the front line made it challenging to supply their frontline troops and expose them to accurate Ukrainian artillery fire and airstrikes. The HIMARS rocket systems, supplied by the US, proved to be a game-changer for Ukraine, allowing them to hit dozens of Russian ammunition depots and make it more difficult for Russia to replace the destroyed munitions. Moreover, Russia's failure to recognize NATO's united front was a critical mistake. The Kremlin presented a list of demands to the West to ease mounting tension in Ukraine, expecting a reaction similar to the 2014 annexation of Crimea. However, NATO countries did not respond with sanctions but instead sent weapons, ammunition, military equipment, and billions of dollars in aid, bolstering Ukraine's resolve and demonstrating Western unity. In conclusion, Russia's military mistakes have put immense pressure on Ukraine to launch a counteroffensive and receive more Western support. Despite these challenges, Russia will struggle to replace the advanced equipment lost due to sanctions, and the pressure is still on for Ukraine to maintain its resistance until 2024 or 2025. Ukraine's resilience and victory in the face of Russia's offensive is a testament to the power of determination and the human spirit, proving that even in the darkest of times, hope can prevail. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.